We've been custom home builders for 24 years. We have a labor force that I think is pretty unique in the fact that we've built relationships for a long time with people that we've used. We really have a very talented team. We all have our strengths in what we do. We know how a house goes together. We know the best practices, we know what's right, we know if there's issues, whether it's insulation or ventilation. With us, you're getting more than a roof, which is what you're hiring us for, but you're also getting some consultation in there as well to make sure that that product's going to perform. And our goal is you see that beautiful roof, but you don't know that we were there once we're out of there. We don't want you finding leftover debris, and we just want you to be pleased and happy with that roof. The name Renaissance, I think it does mean something, and if you look it up, it's a rebirth or a revival, and I think that's pretty fitting for what we do to people's houses, because when it's done, it really is a rebirth. Whether it's a roof or it's a siding or it's a deck or it's an interior kitchen remodel, we're pretty proud of that finished product and what it does to the homeowner's value of their home even.